Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Hotel Management System. Nowadays, people travel everywhere and expect the facility to be hospitalized well and expect the availability of staying wherever and whenever the safely. In our project, these facilities are available. The online hotel management system will help the customer to make reservations for hotel rooms online. The customer can check the availability of the rooms. This website will help the customers to book a room in online. So let's see the website here. This is the website homepage. Here we have admin, hotel, and customer, three modules. So coming to the flow of this diagram website. So this is the flow diagram of the website. Here the admin will log into the website with the predefined login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, the admin can add the cities which are available on their hotels. So admin can add the cities and view cities page. In the same page, the admin can view the cities which are added by him, and admin can also add the areas which are surrounded by the hotels. So admin can also add the areas and view the areas at the same page. After adding the areas and cities, the hotels will register into this website with the hotel name, password, email address by uploading the image of the hotels. So by entering all the data of the hotels, that hotels will get registered into the website. After registrations, the hotels will get the admin can view the hotels in the view hotels page and make them active. So after activating the hotels, after admin activating the hotels will log into the website with the registered email address and password. After activation, only the hotels will log in. Without verifying the admin, the hotels will not log into the website. So after logging into the website, the hotels can add the rooms to that particular hotels and view the rooms in view rooms page. So after viewing the rooms and adding the rooms, the customers will get registered into the website with the name, email address, ID proof, phone number, and by adding their profile of the customer, so they will get registered into the website by clicking the register button. So after registration, the customer will get logged into the website with the registered email address and password. In customer's homepage, we have two buttons like add amount to wallet and view transactions. Those are the add amount to wallet button. By clicking this add amount to wallet button, so the amount will be added to customer wallet by entering the customer bank details like customer card number, holder number, card holder number, and CVV expiry date. By entering the bank details, the amount will be added to wallet. So after adding the money to wallet, this wallet money will automatically decrease while the customer book the room. Whenever the customer book the room, the wallet money will be automatically deducted from the wallet. So all these transactions will be shown in the transactions page. After this, the customer, after entering into the website, the customer can view the hotels which are added by the admin, and customer can view the hotels and view the rooms which are added by hotels. And after viewing the rooms, the customer can click on the book room button. After clicking the book room button, the customer enter into the confirmation booking page. So after confirmation, the room will be booked. After booking the room, these bookings will be displayed on the view bookings page of customer and view bookings page of hotels. In this view bookings page of hotels, the hotels can provide the check-in to the customers by adding the date and time of the check-in, and also give the checkout option after checking into the rooms. So after giving the check-in, the customer can enter into the room, and after the After completion of booking time, slot time, the customers will send the vacate room request for hotels. So after sending the request to hotels, the hotels will confirm the vacation of the hotel customer and give permission for vacations. Give permission for vacating the room by clicking the confirm vacation. So all this data will be stored in the hotel's history. And these customer and hotels management will process will be monitored by admin. And admin also can view the hotels, view the bookings, and view the rooms, view the check-ins, which are done by the customer and hotels. And these all data will be stored in admin page history also. So in history, these all the details will be stored in the admin history also. So this is the flow diagram of the website. So let's see the output here. This is the website homepage. Here we have admin, hotel, and customer. First, I'm logging into the admin page with the username and password. This is the home page for admin. Here, the admin can add the cities. And view the cities in the same page, available cities here. Admin added cities, these are. After adding the cities, the admin can add the areas by choosing the city. Washington. So I'm adding the area here. Francis. So by choosing the city, you can add the area name, and the added areas will be displayed here like this only. So after adding the areas, the admin will log out from the website and hotels will get registered into this website. So registration with the hotel name. So hotel email address, phone number, use area, and password, description. Travel hotels. Arranged. Address. New York City. Washington. So by uploading picture of the hotel, hotels will get registered into the website. Registration successful. After registering the website, the hotel will get logged. Will try to get login into the website without any verification of admin. There is no use. There is no entry for this website. So this like this will account is not verified. Like this, the page will display the notification. So we'll get into the admin now. The username and password and verify the hotels here. So by clicking the approve button, the hotels will be activated. So by clicking the deactivate button, the hotels will be deactivated by the admin also. So after activating the hotels, the admin hotels will get login into the website with the registered email address and password. This is the hotel's homepage. Here we have two buttons like add rooms and view rooms. So by clicking the add rooms button, rooms will be added by hotels. So room title, number of rooms, price per day, single room, picture, then take the picture and upload the picture, uploading the picture, the room, basic. Add rooms. Rooms added successfully. After adding the rooms, hotels can view the rooms by clicking the view rooms button. So in that we have view bookings, check-ins, and booking history. So by clicking the bookings, we don't have any bookings because customer does not log in. So I'm registering as a customer now with the customer name, customer email address, phone number, password, upload proof, ID proof, adding the ID proof here and register. After registration, the customer will get login into the website with the registered email address and password. This is the homepage for customers. Here we have two buttons like add to wallet and transactions. So add amount to wallet, by clicking the add amount to wallet, the amount will be, payment page will be added like this. So we'll add amount to the wallet by entering the amount and card number. This card number should be in 16 digits. Name of the card holder and the expiry date, CVV number. Add to wallet. So money added here and transaction. We don't have any transactions. Let's see. And after adding the money to wallet, the customer can view the hotels by clicking the hotels button. And in that hotels, the customer can view the rooms by clicking this view rooms button. So here we have book room button. By selecting the rooms, so we'll give the check-in and check-out option there. Like this. Book now. So rooms will be selected here, R1 and R2, and total price will be displayed here. By clicking the book now button, the rooms will be enter into the confirmation page. Here we have all the details about the room bookings and price, wallet amount, payable amount, and from date to date. So if we click on the confirm booking button, the booking will be confirmed. Rooms booked successfully. After booking the rooms, the bookings will be displayed on the bookings page. If the customer wants to cancel the bookings, they can click on the cancel button and cancel the booking. So I'm not canceling here. So we'll get into the hotel again. So with the email address and password. And here the hotel bookings will be displayed on bookings page. By entering the date, by giving the date, the hotels can give the check-in options to the customers. So check-in, I have provided check-ins to both check-ins. So status will be checked in. Check. After check-in, So providing the check-in, the customers will enter into the rooms. So bookings. After changing the status check-in, after completion of the check-in and check-out times, the customers can click on the vacate button and the room vacation sent request will be sent to the hotels. So like this, the customer will send the request for room vacating the room. After sending the request, the hotels will log in onto the website and confirm the vacation request. So I'm also vacated successfully. This all the bookings, check-ins and check-out data will be stored in history of the hotels and history of the customer. Customer homepage and bookings. Here the status will be changed as vacated. So this is the homepage. Here we have before we have 30,000 here valid amount. So automatically it is deducted from the account amount. So we are booked 2 rooms in the hotel. So that's why the 2,000 will be deducted from the valid amount. So like this, the amount will be deducted and those transactions will be displayed on the transactions page. Here amount will be paid for the bookings for to Shiny hotels. Like this, the information will be stored in transaction information will be stored in the transactions page. So after checking this, the admin will log in into the website and admin can also view the hotels and view the bookings by clicking the booking page. We don't have any bookings because we are vacated the rooms. They are vacated the rooms. So view rooms. This is the rooms which are added by hotels, and these are the check-ins. We don't have any check-ins because they are vacated. So history. This is the check-in and check-out history. The status will be here also. This will be changed as vacated. These all the data of the hotels and customers data will be stored in the history of the admin. So like this hotel management system will be worked. So hope you guys understand this website. Thank you.